In this video, I will show how to graph a function using linear transformations. And first we have to rewrite the function so we can see exactly what linear transformations are applied. So I'm just going to move things around and by writing it this way in the form that I have my function and I can see exactly what is done to the function to make it look a certain way. So we interpret the negative in the front as the vertical flip. We interpret the negative sign inside of the parentheses as rotation around the y-axis, and we interpret +3 as a vertical shift upward by 3 units. And the parent function is 2 to the x, so I'm going to start with the graph of the parent function. And it has horizontal asymptote at y equals 0. And it will be only affected by the vertical transformations, such as vertical shift. Now, we're going to apply the rotations around the x and y axis. So one at a time, rotating it around the x-axis will give me this shape. Rotating it again around the y-axis will give me this shape. So now the asymptote is on the right side, and lifting it up by 3 units will raise everything, including the horizontal asymptote, up by 3 units. So it's going to look something like this. So this is the graph of the given functions, and I can make it more visible like this. So this is how we use transformations to graph a function.